Hi ABSS Accounting Connect and ABSS Premier Connect users in Singapore. Welcome to our step-by-step video guide, designed to help you successfully sign up for ABSS Accounting Connect and ABSS Premier Connect. Follow this guide to ensure a smooth registration process. First, when you're on the ABSS Connect login page, click Sign Up if you don't have an account yet. On the Sign Up page, you'll be asked to choose whether you're an existing customer or a new customer. In this video, we will walk you through the process of signing up as a new customer subscribing to ABSS Premier Connect. Next, you'll need to fill in your information. Select the product you want. Choose your business location. And enter your company name, industry, number of staff, your name, contact number, and email address. Then, toggle to agree to the terms and conditions and the license agreement, and click the Complete Sign Up button to finish. After that, you'll be redirected to our secure payment page. Enter your card details to complete your subscription. It's a quick and secure process, and your account will be activated immediately. Once your subscription is successful, check your registered email inbox. You'll receive 2 important emails from us. The first email contains a step-by-step setup guide and your unique 12-digit serial number. The second email provides your login details for the ABSS Connect web portal. And that's it. You're now ready to start your journey with ABSS Accounting and Premier Connect. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to supporting your business growth.